The electric vehicle revolution is transforming the automotive industry, and at the heart of every EV lies a reliable, high-performance battery pack. Manufacturing EV battery packs requires precision, safety, quality control, and complete traceability at every stage. PMTechERP is a comprehensive ERP solution designed to streamline and optimize the entire EV battery pack manufacturing process, helping manufacturers achieve greater efficiency, product quality, and operational excellence. With PMTechERP, every stage of battery pack manufacturing is managed through a single integrated platform. From procurement of battery cells and electronic components to battery module assembly, battery management system integration, production planning, quality inspections, inventory management, testing, and final dispatch, every process is seamlessly connected. Manage complex bills of materials, production workflows, and assembly operations with complete visibility. Monitor work orders in real time, track material consumption, optimize machine utilization, and ensure every production stage is completed efficiently. Intelligent production planning helps eliminate bottlenecks, reduce downtime,